Practice set 3.3. Example number 1. In figure, point G, D, E, F are concyclic points of a circle with center C. Angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Measurement of arc DGF is equal to 200 degree. Find the measurement of arc DE and measure of arc DEF. C is the center of this circle. Point D, E, F and G on the circle. We have given angle ECF is equal to 70 degree and measures of arc DGF is given 200 degree. We know that measure of that angle is measure of that corresponding arc. Hence, measure of arc EF is equal to 70 degree. Addition of these three arc, that will be the complete circle. Hence, sum of these three arc is 360 degree. Arc, measure of arc DGF plus measure of arc EF plus measure of arc DE, then we will get 200 plus 70, that is 270. 360 minus 270, that is 90. Thus we find the measure of arc DE is equal to 90 degree. Then second, sum of two arc DE plus EF is nothing but measure of arc DEF, that is 90 plus 70 degree, then we get 160 degree. Angle ECF is equal to measure of arc EF is equal to 70 degree. The reason is the measure of a minor arc is the measure of its central angle. Hence, measure of arc DGE is equal to measure of arc DGF plus measure of arc EF. Substitute the value, then we get measure of arc DGE is equal to 200 degree plus 70 degree. Thus, measure of arc DGE is equal to 270 degree. Measure of arc DGE plus measure of arc DE is equal to 360 degree. Complete the circle. Hence, substitute the value 270 degree plus measurement arc DE is equal to 360 degree. We have to find the measure of arc DE. Hence, measure of arc DE is equal to 360 degree minus 270 degree. Hence, measure of arc DE is equal to 90 degree. Measure of arc DEF is equal to measure of arc DE plus measure of arc EF. Measure of arc DEF, addition of this two, that is 90 degree plus 70 degree. Hence, measurement of arc DEF is equal to 160 degree. Example number 2 star example. In figure, triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. Prove that first, arc RS is congruent to the arc QS, congruent to arc QR. Second, measurement of arc QRS is equal to 240 degree. Triangle QRS is an equilateral triangle. Hence, QR is equal to RS is equal to QS, side of equilateral triangle. But we know that we have studied that arc of the same or the congruent circle are equal if the related chord are congruent. Related chord are congruent, hence arc will be same. Measurement arc QR is equal to measure of arc RS is equal to measure of arc QS. Addition of these three arc, that is measure of arc QR plus measure of arc RS plus measure of arc QS is equal to 360 degree. The reason is measure of a complete circle is 360 degree. Measure of arc QS plus measure of arc QS plus measure of arc QS is equal to 360 degree. We have substitute the congruent arc value is measure of arc QS. Hence 3 times measure of arc QS is equal to 360 degree. Hence measure of arc QS is equal to 120 degree. We know that sum of 3 arc, that is the complete circle. Hence measure of arc QR plus measure of RX plus measure of arc QS value is 120 degree is equal to 360 degree. Then measure of arc QR plus measure of arc RS is equal to 360 degree minus 120 degree. Thus, but addition of these two arc is measure of arc QRS is equal to 360 minus 120, that is 240 degree. Measure of arc QRS is equal to 240 degree. Example number 3. In figure, chord AB is congruent chord CD. Prove that AC congruent arc BD. We have given chord AB congruent chord CD. We know that in a circle or in a congruent circle, if the chord are equal, then their corresponding arc also equal. Hence, measure of arc AB is equal to measure of arc CD. Reason: arc of the same or congruent circle are equal if the related chord are congruent. Measure of arc AC plus measure of arc CB is equal to measure of arc CB plus measure of arc BD. Instead of measure of arc AB, we have taken the addition of two arc, and thus instead of measure of arc CD, we take the addition of these two arc. Both side measure of arc CB are common, hence that will be cut. Remaining is measure of arc AC is equal to measure of arc BD. If two arc are equal, that will be congruent. Hence, arc AC is congruent arc BD.